So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to import the PDF of the utility plan so I can see the inverts and information that I need to lay out this utility run. Even though I do have in the View Filter Manager, if I was to look down here, I do see that I've got some storm structures, storm line, and some other utility structures. And when I come in and I look at those, I can see that the line is there. It goes from the front of it to the back of it. There's the actual structure. So I could simply just put those on a layer, but I don't know what their elevations are. So I'm going to bring in this PDF first. So what I'm going to do is go to the import and navigate to where my PDF is, which should be the same place I was when I brought in this original PDF for the site plan. And I'm going to pick that PDF document. Now looking at my PDF, going to the storm drainage plan, I can see that it's sheet number 7. So I'm going to come over here, place 7, and I'm going to click import. So now you can see that it's down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide this guy over, and I'm going to switch over to my georeferenced PDF. And I could probably close my 3D view to do this as well. And now I will keep this because I've got some other information. So I'm just going to not use the rectangle clipping. I'm just going to go with pixel. And again, I always like to use opposite corners. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to snap to that corner there. And I've got my property line turned on so I can snap right to that corner there. And then I can come down here, grab this corner, and do the same thing. Come over here and grab the corner of that PDF, or sorry, that property line. I'll go ahead and click register, and then I can close this. So now I've got my utility plan in here, and I can start elevating this utility run, and I'll show you how to do that next.